Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I'm up on top of a Rockwood that just came in for an inspection, and the owners told the service advisor, like, hey, I came up here to scrub my roof and check it, and he's like, the TPO is disintegrating. And so in fact it sure is. So basically, you see the tears in the TPO material. The TPO itself is just literally dried out and cracking. So the roof is actually really good shape. It's clean, but the roof material, the skylight, the sealants, all the plastics haven't been being treated, and so it's drying everything out, drying all the products out, and causing it to shrink, dry, and crack. So it's another reason why you want to go ahead and UV treat the rubber roof, or refer to it as rubber roof because technically it is a rubber product, but TPO, EPDM, any of the rubber roofs, PVC, any of that kind of stuff, even a fiberglass roof. There's a fiberglass roof over there, and that roof's all black and moldy and spotted. And so all the roofs in our industry all require some type of UV treatment or conditioner applied to them. So, all right, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, RV Specialist, and I'm getting ready to help the customer who's standing behind us with Sam. Right back there. So, all right, thanks again for watching.